Hello, good evening to you all. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to convert website to Android mobile application. To do that, we quickly launch our Sketchware Pro by clicking on it. Right now, the Sketchware is open. What we need to do is to click on the plus button down here to open a new project. Now a project is open. Enter application name here. The name of my application is Dangote Group. Reason being that I'm converting Dangote website to Android mobile application. I tap here to type Dangote Group. Okay. After that, I click here to change the icon. As you all know, before you embark on any project like this, you must have done a research on that particular website which you are converting to Android mobile application. There are a few things you need to research on. Those things are the icon or their logo, their colors. All right. I tap here. Tap on choose from gallery. Tap here. This is what I mean. This is where I have everything saved that I'm using on Sketchware. You can see the Dangote icon which I saved. PNG image. I downloaded 3 of them, but right now this is the one I want to use. I click on it. Are you seeing what is happening? So the icon here have changed to Dangote. So you see advanced settings. You click on it. You see color accent. You see color primary. You see color primary dark. All right. You all know that Dangote Group, their color is deep blue or blue black, and the white, and the something like orange. So all these things are things I find out while I was running a shake on that website. So right now, this color accent, I'm going to change it to deep blue. All right. I do that by clicking on it. I come here. This is blue. This is blue. I click on it. When this bar, this rectangular bar, is descending, the deeper the color or the darker the color. So right now, this is the one I want. Like I told us, I need a deep blue. Okay. I click on it. Do same thing to all of them. I need a deep blue. I click on it. Come to blue. The same thing. So right now I am done with colors. You tap here and delete my new project. Like I told us earlier on, that the only language which Google understands is any name of your app when it comes to package name. All right. Dangote Dangote Group or Dangote. I come to this project name. I delete it even though it's not necessary, but let me just, you can leave this place, but for the purpose of this lecture, let me complete it. Dangote Group. All right, then you tap on create app here. Right now, you see that the application is open. So right now, what we need to do is to remove this toolbar because we don't need it. This toolbar, we don't need it. Okay, and you do that by clicking on the main.sml, which is here. Just tap here. You will see, tap here, that you see something that looks like handset. All right, then tap on this box to unshake it. You can see it's against the toolbar. That is the toolbar. When you unshake that box, the toolbar will disappear. Then click on save. All right, let's open another page. Like we all know, we need 2 pages for this project. All right, so the first one being this is a splash screen. For those of us who followed the first lecture, which was how to create a splash screen, you can remember that I told us that a splash screen is a welcome page which the client or the user of that application see first before other pages. Okay, let us quickly create another page by clicking on this plus button. Uncheck the toolbar here because we don't need the toolbar. Then tap here to enter the application name, the page name. The page name here is going to be load website. Then you click on add, which is this. So right now, we are going to click on the page which we want to start developing or which we want to work on. This one is the one we want to start with. You tap on it. Right now and right here, you bring in linear V. Drag and drop. You come down here, tap on the width, click on match parent, click on select, remove the padding by coming down here to click on the padding. This is the padding. Click there, delete the 8 and type 0, click on save. You change the color again, you come to background color. This is the background color. And like I told us, this is the background color. You click on it. Like I told us that Dangote have a combination of deep blue, orange, and white. So this background is going to be white. I click on white. And tap on white again here. All right. So right now what we need to do is to look for image view. This is image view here. Are you seeing it? Drag and drop. You come to the width of that image view down here. You type 100 by clicking here first. Thereafter, you click here, which is going to show you a red bar. You see the red bar, you tap on where there is the red bar, then you type in 100. That is for the width. You do same for the height. This is the height. All right. Sorry, this is the height. All right. You click on the height. The same thing, you tap on the DP. Then you see a red bar, you click there and type 100. Then click on select. So what else do we need here? We need our progress bar. This is our progress bar. You drag and drop it. So this progress bar, let us fix the width 70 and the height 70. You come down here. Let me show us the width and the height. We are going to be changing them. This is the width. This is the height. Both of them, we are going to click and type 70. You click on the width first. You click on the last circle against DP. You see the red bar, you tap there and they type 70 DP and click on select. You do same thing to the height by clicking the height still down here. The same thing, 70, because we need a square. All right. So right now what we need to do is to click on the first linear, which was linear V, somewhere here. All right. You tap on it. Then you come down here and change the gravity to center horizontal and center vertical. Our reason for doing that is so that this Mr. Man here and this other Mr. Man here, all right, will come to the middle. Okay. You see what will happen. Tap on gravity. Then you click on center vertical and the center horizontal. Thereafter, you click on select. Center vertical, you see that the block is shaded, marked with good. Center horizontal, then you click on select. You see the two of them in the middle. So tap on the progress bar again. Click on it. Then you come down here and you see a margin. Click on the margin. This is the margin. My reason for changing the margin is so that this scroll bar here, this progress bar here will have a length demarcation between the Android icon here and it. You see that the gap between them is too close. When you fix something, two of them are going to be gumming together, and I don't want it. So I want the progress bar down a little bit. Okay, that is the reason for this margin. Then I tap on this margin. You see that the margin is 0. All I need to do, you see that the margin here is 0. All I need to do is to type 50 there. Delete the 0 and type 50 and click on save. You see that there is now a good gap between them. They are no longer close. Then another thing you need to do here is click on this Android icon. The purpose of this Android icon, you see splash screen being a welcome page. It has to send a message across the mind of the user. What are those messages? the logo of the application that you're trying to build, or that you're building, or that you've built, needs to be there, so that the person will say, oh, this is this people's logo. Right here, right now, right this minute, I'm trying to convert Dangote website to Android mobile application. You all know that Dangote has a logo. It has an image. It needs to be an image that has a close relationship with Dangote Group or with whatever thing you're building. Right now, I downloaded a Dangote logo. You do that by, going to your Chrome. You just type Dangote logo, or any website. If you are trying to convert like Peace Airline, you type Peace Airline logo. It will pop up different logos of Peace Airline. Then you look for the PNG version and download. Okay, so right now let us tap on the Android icon. You tap on it. There is something we need to do. We need to click on these three dots just to import the logo into this application. All right. Let's quickly click on these three dots. You see library, you see image. You see library, you see view, you see image. Click on image here. Then click on the red button down here. This red button. Click on add image close to this camera logo or icon. Then click on the gallery here, this particular one. You can see Dangote logo, which I downloaded. You tap on it. I have the three icons, but I like this, so I click on it. You see that there is a good shaded. All right, so you click on done here. Okay, so right here, this figure here, you tap somewhere here and delete all of them. Delete all of them. Let me just write Dangote. All right, in your case, what you need to do is to click on this square here that says add to my collection. The reason why I am not going to be clicking on it is because I have this image imported in this project, but because I want to show you how to do it, that is why I'm going there again. So if I now shade this box, my previous image of this Dangote and this new one, two of them will disappear. In your case, because you don't have the image imported already in the project you are working, make sure you click on this shake and click on save. All right, I tap on save. Add complete. Okay, then I go back by tapping here. I go back by clicking here. I tap anywhere here just to make this drawer here to disappear. Here, what I will now do is now to click on this Android icon. Okay, you see a pop-up menu down here where you see image. Click on it. Are you seeing something here? You see your default image, which was the first one, but now we want a change, so you tap here. thereafter and click on select. You see that it has automatically changed. But now, if you notice something, you see that the Dangote, the D and the E disappeared. That is because you've not scaled it. So you come down here and click on scale type. All right. You see a pop-up menu here. The thing is already on center, but then click on fit center. Okay. And thereafter click on select. You see that the fit center is shaded. Then click on select. Are you seeing that the D and the T automatically is normal? So what do we do now? You click here. All right. You go back. So another thing we need to do is to click on the component here, just to add the component which will be necessary for this project. What are those components we'll be needing? We need a timer component and we need intent. Like we already know that I told us in our previous lesson that intent is used to relate one or two or more pages together. If you want two or more pages to interact with each other, you use intent. Then a timer component is there to enable us to delay the loading of our app prior the seconds which we'll be needing for the splash screen to pop up. You tap on component here and click on the red button. Then this is our intent. You click on it. Enter component name, you tap there and enter I, which is the initial of intent. If you want to type it in full alphabet or in full word, is up to you. For the purpose of time, I want this I, and then I click on add. We'll be needing a timer component also. Sorry. You click on this plus button again. Let me show us our timer. This is our timer. You click on it. You tap here, type T, the initial for timer, and click on add. All right. Then we click on event, which is this, where the arrow is pointing at. You click on create. This is our on create. Then you click on this blue circle with Android icon inside. You click on component here. So right now, we'll be needing a timer component, which is this one here. What? This one here, all right? So we'll be needing intent set screen, which is this one, all right? We'll be needing intent, start activity. Which is this. We'll be needing intent, finish activity. Sorry. Intent, finish activity. Which is this. Please, each time you drag on any component or any block, if you try to fix it here, if you try to fix it at anywhere which you want, there is going to be a black shadow casting. Once you see that black shadow casting on the point which you want to fix it, just remove the tip of your finger. It will gone. Observe this, which I'm going to do now. I'm picking this intent as I'm going. Are you seeing a black shadow here? There was a black shadow here, but this is not where I want to place it. I ignore it. You see here is where I want to place it. Had it been I want to place it here, anywhere here. If you see this black shadow, you just remove your hand. All right. The purpose of this finish activity is to enable this page. Once we leave this page to another page and we feel like we want to come back, so that the page which we are already will not disappear. That is to say, at that same level you left that page is where you're going to meet it. In some application, you may see while you're doing something and something happens to come up that you left that particular page. Coming back to that page, you start afresh. All right. The reason for that is because the programmer or the software engineer did not program it in such a way that the page will finish by adding this finish activity. Okay. Then this intent set screen, like I told us earlier on, that intent is a component that enabled a relationship between two or more pages to go on. It allowed two or more pages to interact with each other. All right. So right now, you see the black triangles. We need to activate them. Like this, like this, like this, like this. All of them, they are all keys. Anyone you fail to activate, this app will not work, or the project will not work. When you run it, it will give you a problem. In case you encounter problem after building your app, these are the things you're going to be checking to see if there is anyone that you left unactivated. So right now we start with the timer. You click on the black triangle there. You see this circle here. You have to click on it to shade it. Automatically, you click on select. Sorry. Let's do it again. When you click and you leave it shaded, it means it's activated. But that activation is not complete until you click on select. You see that there is T against it. You see this second one, when we do it, you see I against it, which is representing the name intent. You click on the second one. You click on the circle, is activated. You click on select, you see I. All right. Then the start activity, you click on it. You click on the circle, is activated. You click on select. You see that I is activated already. Then the other triangle here is, that is this triangle. When you click on this triangle, you see all the pages which are in this project. All of them will pop up, and you select the one you want to relate with this page. You see this page is our splash screen page, but we want it to relate with another page, which is the load activity page. That load activity page is where the URL of Dangote group is going to be loading. Okay. You tap on the black triangle. Right now you see main activity page, you see load website activity page. So we want this load activity website page to relate with the splash screen, which is the main activity. We want two of them to communicate. Okay. So you click here. Thereafter, click on select to effect it. Without clicking on this select, the changes will not effect. You click on select. If you observe very well, you now see something here. Okay. Then another thing we need to do is you click on this white bubble to impute the number of seconds which you want this app to delay before it's up. You click it and tap anywhere here. Like we all know, I want 5 seconds, which means after 5 seconds, let another page pop up. It then means that progress bar will keep rounding until after 5 seconds before another page will pop up. Okay. For that 5 seconds, like we all know that this app is measuring in milliseconds, and 1000 milliseconds is equivalent to 1 second. For the fact that we need 5 seconds, we're going to be tapping in 5000 because 5000 milliseconds will give us 5 seconds. We tap 5000 and click on save to effect it. I think we are done here. All right. So what we need to do here is to go back. By tapping on this arrow. You tap on the arrow to go back again. Then you click on the view, which is this. You see Dangote. This is our splash screen. We'll finish working on it. So what we need to do now is to go to another page. And we do that by clicking here. All right. This is the page we want to start working on. This. So we click on it. So right now, what do? We need progress bar here. This is our progress bar. So we drag and drop. And we'll come down here to change the height. Already, the width is match parent. We want it so. We change the height by clicking here. Tap here. Then you tap here and click here. So let's just type 20 and click on select to effect it. Then we come to this progress style. You see in our splash screen, you could remember that our progress bar, we did not change it. We didn't come to this. We did not come here. Why we did not come here is the default setting of this progress bar is always circular. So that is why I didn't come here, because I needed a circular one in our first progress bar. But this time around, I need a rectangular one. So I click here. So that rectangular means this horizontal. So you tap on horizontal and click on select Are you seeing something? You see this thing that is like this? You might have seen it in some application. That thing will keep moving up and down, keep moving up and down till another page will pop up. Depending on the time, some will say 10 seconds, some will even say 3 seconds, but we said 5 seconds here. Then we come here and look for web view. This is our web view. You drag and drop. Okay. Then what do you need to do here? Remember, this our web view is a very important component because this is where our web page is going to be opening. Okay. So let us click on event here. You see on create, you click on create. This is on create. Click on create. Then you click on this blue circle. You click on view. This is view. I don't know whether we saw it well. This is view. You tap on it. Then you look for web view load URL. This is web view load URL. Okay. I told us in our previous lessons, the full meaning of that URL is universal referral link. This is where you're going to be copying the link of Dangote website to. Right now, let us remove the bar first. We'll see the magic. Then you tap on this small rectangle here first. You click here to open it or to activate it. Thereafter, you click on select to effect the command. You tap here, you tap on select. All right. So right now, before I started this project, like I told us, I ran a research on Dangote website and I copied the URL link and I pasted it on my WhatsApp. So I will now go back to that WhatsApp and copy it and now paste it here that you see this rectangular white space. You're going to tap there and paste wherever you copied. Okay. Let me go to my WhatsApp by minimizing. We all know how to minimize. I minimize by coming here. Okay. All right. I'm looking for my WhatsApp now. Okay, this is my WhatsApp. I tap on my WhatsApp. Here in my WhatsApp, this is what I'll copy, all these things. I'll click on it. I will long click to copy all of them and now go and paste it there. Mine does that. I got this link on my browser. I typed Dangote group URL link or Dangote group link. When you type that on your browser, you see all the links concerning Dangote. then you have to copy the one you want to. Take for instance, if somebody wants you to convert his website to Android mobile application, that person is going to give you this link. All right, because with this link, you're done. Or the person will give you a search. The person will like tell you, okay, go to https://www.google.juliusbeja. When you type there, you see their referral link. Like that URL, universal referral link, you copy it. With that alone, you have finished the work. Okay, so let me long press. You see it has copied. You see link copied. Then I minimize. I come back to my sketchware. Then I tap here. You see it's open. You just tap enter value and long click. You see paste to clipboard. Then you tap on paste. You tap on paste. Then click on save here. Click on save here. You can see it's saved already. Then you go back by clicking on this arrow. You click on the arrow to go back again. Then you click on save. It is good that while working or while building an Android application, for me, I used to like at every 20 or 30 minutes, I come here to save my work because you don't know what may happen to your phone, so you don't lose your work. Then I tap on save. Save complete. Then I tap here. I tap at these three dots here to on my app compact and the design. Are you seeing something? Then you click. Then you click on library here. Okay. You see app compact and the design. You see that the thing is off. You have to on it so it don't give you error while trying to run the app. You see a pop-up, then you click here. Automatically you see a blue color. Then you're good to go. You go back by coming here. You go back again. You click anywhere here to remove the drawer. At this point, I will now on my data. And click on run. Remember, my reason for owning my data is because since I am converting a website, after this application finish running, all right, it's not like you need data to run your sketchware, but after this application finish running, we'll be needing data. Since it is a website, we'll be needing data to load that website into this our mobile application. So click on run. You see it's running. It's running. Please, if there is anything you don't understand, always remember to ask a question in the comment section. You can always do that by either going to my Facebook page at Mr. Vike or going to my channel, my YouTube channel at Mr. Vike 619. Mr. Vike 619 is my Sorry about this. Mr. Vike 619 is my YouTube channel. You can see a pop-up menu again. You click on install. The app is installing. It has finished installing. Let us now click on open. You see, this is our splash screen. You see the progress bar is rounding. It will run for 5 seconds. All right, it's opening. It's now loading the Dangote page. Sorry, it's now loading the Dangote website. You see the website has loaded already, which means you have successfully converted Dangote website into a mobile phone application. All right. At this point, you see that everything that was inside the website will now be inside this mobile application. Are you seeing it? It's not magic. It's just sciences. So right now, right here, we are successful already. So congratulations to you for converting Dangote website into a mobile phone application. After doing this, when you now go to where you used to see your app in your phone menu, you see Dangote Group. Because you use any name that you used to save that app, that is the name you see there. When you just click it, it will start to operate like ordinary Android mobile application. But mind you that your data must be on, because automatically it is now a mobile application. Your data must be on. Even when you are dealing with the website, your data must be on. You see that everything, virtually everything in Dangote website is now here. Congratulations to us. You see all the things. You see our business providing basic need. This is Dangote website though. You have converted it to a mobile phone application. As time goes on, we'll keep learning new things every day by day. The grace of God will be sufficient. You see, everything in that website is now in this mobile Android. You can see their Facebook, you can see their Twitter, their Instagram. You see subscribe, you see their email. All right. You see, website like this, let me just tell us, website like this that is too bogus. For me, converting website to mobile phone application, to Android mobile app for people, I charge between 80 to 100,000 naira. But for a complex website like the Dangote, something like airline, all those ones that need you to do a more research before embarking of them, those ones are big sites. All right, I charge it like 300,000. But for minor website, I even charge 50,000 naira, depending on the size of the website. But for things like Dangote and other ones, I charge 300,000. So you can be making money. Thank you.